Brassica oleracea, or commonly known as red cabbage, is a nutrient-dense vegetable that contains mineral, vitamins, and a number of bioactive compounds such as anthocyanin and flavonols. Red cabbage belongs to the same family as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels, cabbage, kale, and other Brassica family vegetables. Red cabbage is the powerhouse of dietary fibers, carbohydrates, potassium, plenty of vitamins, and other essential minerals. Consuming red cabbage possesses many health benefits such as anti-cancer, cardioprotective, vision improvement, anti-diabetic, and anti-neurodegenerative. Anthocyanin is one of the compounds that give its red or purple color.
Anthocyanins are found abundantly in all parts of the cabbage, especially on the leaves.
Next is how to extract anthocyanin at home and how to show that anthocyanin is present. We are going to test the presence of anthocyanin by doing the pH test because according to Fossen, anthocyanin can be used as a pH indicator. If the purple color of the cabbage water changes into certain expected color, it means that anthocyanin is present. So these are all the materials and ingredients that we need. We're going to need purple cabbage, some water to boil the cabbage, 4 glasses for our test later, vinegar to test for acid, sodium bicarbonate to test for alkaline, and also bleach to test for also alkaline, coffee filter, spoon, and some dropper. First, boil the water and add in our purple cabbage. Give it a good stir, cover it, and leave it for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can see the dark purple color which is coming out from the cabbage. Then, we are going to strain the liquid using a coffee filter carefully as it is hot. So this is the dark purple color that we extracted from the cabbage. After that, pour the cabbage water into each of the glasses of about the same amount. This first glass will act as a control. So, we're gonna start with the second one. We're going to add a few drops of vinegar which contains acetic acid until it changes color. We can see that the dark purple color changes into pinkish red, which means that the vinegar is acidic. Next, we're going to add sodium bicarbonate. Now, the color changes from dark purple to a very dark green. This shows that the sodium is a weak base. And for the last one, we're going to add bleach. Here, we see the color changes into yellow. This indicates that bleach is a strong base. So, with all the expected color changes, we can conclude that anthocyanin is present and it can be used as pH indicator.
What are the types of anthocyanin found in the red cabbage? From previous studies, there are 36 types of anthocyanins found in red cabbage. About 80% of them are acylated, which are supposedly the more stable forms of anthocyanins. Red cabbage extract is rich in cyanidin-based anthocyanins with various mono and diacylating groups. Factors that determine their color at certain pH are the types of anthocyanins and its acylation. Normally, HPLC is used to identify the types of anthocyanin from extraction of red cabbage. This method has many advantages because it can determine the individual anthocyanin. For example, in this research, there are two types of anthocyanin that have been separated by using HPLC. This spectral measurement is showing the presence of two anthocyanins for red cabbage, namely cyanidin 3-diglucoside 5-glucoside for about 80% of total area and cyanidin 3,5-diglucoside about 20% of the total area. These results were in agreement with other articles as well.